Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the best apps you can actually use for 3D animation on Android and what you can actually expect out of these tools. Now the first one is the most popular one is Prisma 3D. Now with the Prisma 3D, what you can actually expect. So with the Prisma 3D is that powerful mobile alternative to desktop 3D software, offers impressive level of depth, free to use on both Android and iOS. But sometimes it's buggy. Like when you're gonna read here the reviews, for example, the rendering animation modeling I think is too glitchy, and when I'm trying to extrude something, the verticals randomize it. So the reviews are not that amazing, and even the no use update was kind of the controversial. So I hope in the future they are going to fix that. And also you don't have bent tools, jiggle bones, and immersive maps. So the Prisma 3D is great. You can have also huge community, plenty of tutorials. So definitely recommend to check it out. Now next one is Recon 4D. So you can have 3D modeling and animation, and this is something that you can also try for yourself. Now with the Recon is that high quality rendering, user-friendly tools. So that's very good, as you can see, it looks great. Also great for beginners with good range of tools. On on the older devices can be slower. Requests for feature like rigging improvements, vertex tools, and custom animation. The model library is limited. Also, the animation tools are more basic compared to Prisma 3D. And when adding models, sometimes there are crashes. But this is kind of another one for you to go for. Now, what is very important, guys, that if you have the next one is Blender Mobile, but you want to go with the Blender Mobile when you have stronger stronger phone. So 6 GB RAM plus, you're gonna go to mobile. But if you have less RAM, if your phone is weaker, you want to go with the Prisma 3D or Recon 4D. And so in the moment when it's important is that you're not going to waste your time if you're gonna use phone, only because even if you're gonna use it, then when you're gonna be on PC, it's gonna be better. So that's something that is important. But yeah, the it's very good to use this app, and maybe it's going to be beneficial for you, and to actually use the Blender Mobile. So this is kind of the unofficial Android port full of Blender, has more feature but needs a strong phone 6 GB plus RAM. And you can see right here that that's something that you can actually do. And yeah, maybe you're gonna like it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.